Hello everyone, let's start solving this question which came in the weekly contest 465. So this is a easy level question. The question is restore finishing order. You are given an integer array order of length n and an integer array friends. Order contains every integer from 1 to n exactly once, representing the IDs of the participants of a race in their finishing order. Friends contains the IDs of your friends in the race sorted in strictly increasing order. Each ID in friends is guaranteed to appear in the order array. Okay. And return an array containing your friends' IDs in their finishing order. So this is the order and this is the friends' IDs. This is the IDs. Friends' IDs are sorted in increasing order. Yes, so we have to return the order of the friends. So basically here ID is 134. So here in which order these IDs are here. Okay, this is the basically order. So one is okay, I'll take this example here and I'll show. It's just a simple example, easy level example. 2, 5, and 4. Okay. And the order friends are 2, 1, 3, 4. Friends IDs are this. So I want this to appear. So 3 is there, 1 is there, 2 is not there, 5 is not there. I'll just remove. So this will be our answer. 3, 1, 4. So we just have to return the order, okay, of the friend. So here it is just 5, 2. Then if I do remove everything else, it is 2, 5, sorry, and the answer is 5, 2. Yeah. So how can we solve this question? Let's see the constraints as well. So n can be from 1 to 100, that's fine. And order contains every integer from 1 to n exactly once. That means in our order array, there will be numbers from 1 to n. Okay, and exactly once. And friends will be friends dot length minimum of 8 comma n and okay, friends is strictly increasing. Yes. So here it is written order is, I'll just back to, yeah, 134 is order contains the values from 1 to n, that is 1 to 5. Okay. So what we can do is we can make use of concept of hashing. Okay. So if we have an, let's say I know that this is in my friends, so I know 1 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. If I store this somewhere and whenever I traverse this, I check if 3 is my friend list, yes, then I will insert it in our answer. If is 1 is in my friend's ID, yes. Is 2 is there? No. Ignore. If 5 is there? No. Ignore. 4 is there? Yes. So in this way we can find our answer. Okay. But this, instead of, see, what will be the brute force approach? You will use the two loops. For 3 you will traverse this. If it is there, then you will stop and add it to the answer. For 1 again you will move like traverse this and add it to the answer. But if we use hashing technique, in O of 1 only you will be able to find if that is there or not. Okay, so here it is given 1 to n numbers elements are there, okay, in this order array. So that means if the order array size is 6, that means 1 to 6 only the numbers will be there. Okay, so instead of using the what hash set, so in Java we have hash set, reset, right? Instead of using the hash set, we can use the hash array. Okay, so if you know, if I consider an array, okay, 0, let's say 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, what will be the index? It will be 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now for this n is equal to 5. So if I traverse this, what my friends array 1 3 4, what I'll do for 1 at index 1, I'll increment it count. Or instead of integer, you can use the boolean also. Okay, you can make it as true. Okay, you can make it as true. And then for 3 also you'll make it as true. For 4 also you'll make it as true. You'll use a boolean array. Let's say these all are false. Once you update this array, okay, we are not traversing this array, okay, we are traversing this our friends array IDs, okay. Then for 1, what I'll do, at index 1 I'll mark it as 2. For 3 I'll mark it as 2. For 4 I'll mark it as 2. If there is 6, no, there'll not be this 6, because here it is written that each ID in the friends is guaranteed to appear in the order array. That means the IDs also be in this range only. Okay, once we mark it and when we traverse this array, what we will do, we will check just the index. If it is true, we will add it in our answer, else will not add. Let's start coding. I'll take one array, boolean hash is equal to new int, boolean n plus 1. Yes, don't forget. What will be our n? Int n is equal to order dot length. Let's take int m is equal to friends dot length. Okay. Now for int I is equal to 0, I less than what, m, I plus plus. Now first we'll traverse the friends array to update our hash. Okay, hash of friends of I plus plus. Okay, that means we have this. Why I'm using plus plus, it should be 2. Okay. Okay, yeah. Now I have what, this thing. Now I will traverse my this array, order array, that is for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and I'll check if my hash of order of I, if yes, then I'll add it in my answer. Answer of I is equal to order of I. Okay, now I'll take one more, as int answer is equal to new int. What will be the size of our answer? It will be same as friends. Okay, which means m. And okay, here it will not be I. Let's say I'll take j. Okay, it will make it a j plus plus, and j is equal to 0. Okay, now I'll return this. Okay, I'll just run. Yeah, accepted. Let's submit this solution. This is a easy level solution. Yeah, you can see accepted. Okay, so this is how we can solve this question. Of course, there are different ways. Instead of this hash array, we can use the hash set, as I said previously as well. You can use the hash set, and in that you can just insert this friends of I, and when you, here instead of true or false, you'll just use the contains method to check. It will also take O of one operation or something. Okay, but here it is mentioned that we know the number, okay, size, that 1 to n only elements will be there, the value will be there, so we use the hash array. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated. Thank you.